What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Cecil Star from the Patrick Star Show. Now I want to begin today's lesson on the top center of our page and draw two ovals for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We start from the very top of the middle, come all the way down towards the bottom of our oval, and then back up toward the top. Now I want to draw that same sized oval on the right side. So we start from the very top and we want to touch this in towards the center and then go back up along the outside. Let's draw two small ovals on the inside for the pupils. Just going to leave a little gap on the inside. And we'll fill the inside of the pupils in black. Now with the eyes in place, we're going to tuck the mustache in underneath. Let's start over on the bottom left side of the eye. Bend this up, go out, and then hook that back in. Let's do the same thing on the right, going in the opposite direction. Now I want to draw the bottom bristles of the mustache. Starting back on the left, we're going to draw these little curves going down and up, just sort of aiming in towards the center of the eyes. And then we want to work across towards the right. Coming down and then bringing that up and going across towards the right side. Let's add a little texture across the top, just underneath the eyes, going out and then down. Let's pull the mouth over towards the left. So starting up here, we start with a fold, coming down and then out. Move up, curve the mouth, coming down and then in towards the center. And we'll tuck the tooth in underneath. Start with two straight angle lines. Round at the bottom. Now we're going to move down and add a curve for the bottom lip. Let's move all the way back up to the top and draw on the eyebrows. We'll start on the left side, going up and then in. Down and out. Just round up the ends of the eyebrow. Close off the top with another curve. Now along the side of the head, we're going to add the hair. Let's start on the left side of the eye, curve this in and then out like a small half circle. Let's go back to the left. We're going to go up and then down. Now you want to work our way around the outside and then back up on the inside. Going up and then in. Let's add a couple more and pull that up. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to close off the top of the head. Let's start on top of the hair on the left. We go up in an angle, round at the head, come across and then down on the right. Let's add a couple dots across the side of the head. Now I want to continue this curve underneath the hair, come down in an angle in behind the mustache, and then down towards the neck. Now from here we move to the center, add the bow tie. Start with a circle in the middle, go to the top, then the bow, going up and then out, come down to the bottom, come down and then out. And then on the ends, we're going to add two curves, coming in towards the center and then around the bottom. Let's go to the side of the knot and add a fold. Bring this up and then out. Let's go back to the base of the head. We're going to curve the collar, coming down and in towards the side of the bow tie. And we'll add the collar, starting from the bottom, curve this out and then down. Just going to add a short curve, going out and then up. Now we're going to go back up to the base of the head and draw the arms bent in towards the hip. Let's start on the left. We'll go out, then bend that down. Let's round up the elbows and then bend that in towards the wrist. Now from the wrist, we're going to step out, we're going to curve the hand. Going out, round up the hand, come in, and then up. I'm just going to blend this in towards the forearm, going up and then out towards the inside of the elbow. And then from the elbow, step in, draw a straight angle line coming up towards the body. Just up above the forearm, we're going to add a curve for the sleeve, going up and then out. Now I'm going to work our way around the side of the body. Starting underneath the arm, angle this down and out, in behind the forearm. Come down towards the bottom of the hand, round out the belly, and then bend that in. Let's leave a gap across the bottom, step in towards the middle, and add a curve. Let's draw the bottom edge of the shorts. On the left, we're going to step out, draw a short angle line coming down and out on either side. On the inside, we're going to step in, draw 2 straight lines coming down. Now let's close out the bottom of the shorts with a curve. Let's tuck the legs in underneath. Starting on the left, we're going to draw a half oval, coming down and then up. Now I want to go back and add some detail to the body. Let's start with that button in the center. Let's move down in between the hands and draw a curve, coming down and then back up. Let's add that large belt buckle in the center with a rectangle. We'll go across. Let's round out the sides slightly, and then we'll close off the bottom. Let's trace the buckle along the inside. On the outside of the belt buckle, we'll draw 2 belt loops. Start with a straight line coming down, move over, draw another line. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to tuck the belt in behind those loops. Stepping down from the hand, go straight in, come in towards the belt buckle, move down and do the same thing. And then we're going to add some stretch lines across the belly, starting in the center with 2 straight lines. Add a couple lines across the side. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Cecil Star from the Patrick Star Show. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. And if you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.